welcome you to the third award ceremony. I hope you're enjoying the conference and the beautiful city of Edinburgh. So this morning we have two awards. The first one is the InterPore Medal for Porous Media Research. So this first award is given to scientists with an established career in recognition of excellent research in general porous media, with emphasis on research conducted over the past 10 years. I now ask Henri Bertin, who is the research director from CNRS, which is the French Research National Institute, and he's from Institute of Mechanics and Engineering of Bordeaux in southwest of France. And he is the nominator of the awardee, and I would like to ask him to introduce the medal.
Thank you, Adita. It's my pleasure and my honor to announce that Philippe Coussot is the recipient of the InterPore Medal for Porous Media Research for his outstanding contribution to physics of transported porous media in several fields like drying and imbibition, non-Newtonian fluid flow, colloidal transport, transfer in wood, and use of NMR for imaging of porous media. So Philippe Coussot graduated in 1987 from École Polytechnique in Paris. Then he obtained a PhD in fluid mechanics in 1992 from Grenoble University. So Philippe Coussot started his research in environment and agriculture and was one of the pioneers in the use of MRI applied to porous media. There are several papers testing that, of course. He has been active also in several fields of research dealing with porous media, as said before, so drying, flow of non-Newtonian fluids, colloidal transport, water transfer in wood, and other topics. For me, Philippe Coussot is an example of interdisciplinary researcher involved in experimental and fundamental research, looking also at the industrial application. So I'm very proud to have been your nominator for this award. Congratulations, Philippe.
Okay, good morning. So I am obviously deeply honored to receive this award. I'm especially glad that it occurs within the frame of InterPore, which has become a wonderful major meeting point for people working on processes occurring in porous media. I wonder how we would do if it did not exist. Probably we should have to invent it. I would like to thank people who supported my nomination and the committee members who chose me. Also, I think that most of the work I published in that field in the last 10 years would not have been possible, or not at this scientific level, if we can consider this is a good scientific level, without the support, kindness, and great skills of the people working in the NMR and MRI team in Laboratoire Navier. Those people are currently Benjamin Mayer, Raima Sidi-Boulnoir, Pascal Moucheron, Raimé Gilles Roca, and formerly Stéphane Rotz and Pamela Faure. They bring ideas, new NMR sequences, fundamental technical support, and overall solution to any problem. This work has already also been allowed by the strong support of my institution, Université Gustave Eiffel and CNRS, since the beginning of the adventure 25 years ago. At last, obviously, a lot of students significantly contributed to these works. Emmanuel, Jules, Gaëtan, Meng, Marine, Claire, Thibault, Alizé, Nidal, and others. I'm also glad to receive this award here, since, as some of you may know, I did a long first part of my career in rheology, especially focused on yield stress fluid. While in parallel, over the last 15 years, I developed research in porous media, thanks to NMR and MRI. But recently, I completely turned to porous media, so I can see this award as a nice welcome message of the porous community. Thank you.
Thank you. The second award today is the InterPore Award for Porous Media Research. This award is given to mid-career researchers in recognition of outstanding research in general porous media, with emphasis on research conducted over the past 5 years. So I now ask the nominator of the awardee, Nima Shokri, who is the Chair and Professor of Geohydroinformatics at Hamburg University of Technology and the Chair of the Publication Committee in InterPore, to announce the recipient.
Thank you, Azita. Hello, everyone. It's an absolute pleasure and honor today to introduce Professor Pejman Tahmasebi as the recipient of the InterPore Award for Porous Media Research, and I would like to ask Pejman to come up to the podium. Pejman received this award for his outstanding and pioneering contribution to the porous media research, particularly the modeling of large-scale subsurface systems, and for his selfless dedication to the porous media community. Pejman is currently an associate professor at Colorado School of Mines. He received his PhD in 2012 from USC under the supervision of Professor Mohammad Sahimi. Pejman, yeah, I mean, I don't know how to summarize. It's difficult to summarize his contribution to the field of porous media science and technology, but he has been active on a variety of topics related to multi-phase flow and transport in porous materials. And in recent years, he has been heavily investing the various tools in artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to understand different processes in porous media at different scales, ranging from micrometers to, I would say, global scale. So congratulations, Pejman. Maybe you could go over this if they want.
You can say a few words.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here today. It's definitely, I'm very honored and thrilled to receive this award, and I would like to thank a few people. First and foremost, Professor Shokri for doing all the behind-the-scenes work and collecting the letters, and also all my colleagues who actually kindly supported this award and nomination for me. And I also would like to thank InterPore and the InterPore Award Committee for recognizing me among all outstanding and brilliant minds we have in InterPore. And as you know, doing research is not possible without having great colleagues, students, and mentors. So I just would like to appreciate all of them. And finally, I wanted to thank Heriot-Watt colleagues and friends for organizing this great conference. And I have the most sincere respect for the InterPore, because this is where I see very fundamental and deep research on porous media, and I'm very honored to be part of this organization. Thank you for being here today.